a deeper look into the logic behind Profit Trigger AI. No clicks, no funnels, no ads, yet measurable results. How does a system like this operate in a market built on clicks? Profit Trigger AI leverages attention metrics, the unseen layer of digital engagement. Every viewed image becomes a data point. Every interaction, a measurable signal. It's not a loophole. It's a redirection of value from clicks to visibility. The system rewards visibility, not conversion. That's the fundamental shift. Imagine an ecosystem where AI tracks the viewing pattern itself and allocates micro-revenue accordingly. This is not speculation, it's data logistics coded into automation. Understanding this logic separates trend followers from system architects. Full details and access link are provided in the description below.